In this video, I'm going to show you how to force install a Chrome extension across all of your Google Workspace users. It just takes a couple clicks, but it can be difficult to navigate and find, so hopefully this clears it up for you. Prerequisite before you get started is to make sure that your teammates are synced in your SubDog account. So you should see all of your coworkers in the roster page on the teammates tab in SubDog. If you haven't done this, then even if your coworkers install the extension, we won't know what team they're a part of. So please make sure that this table is populated in your SubDog account by syncing it with either your Google Workspace or your Slack if you prefer. I have my account synced with my Google Workspace account. So these are the two users in my Google Workspace instance. So in order to force install the extension, just go over to admin.google.com. You do need to be a Google Workspace admin and have those privileges in order to force install an extension. And in the left sidebar here, we're going to go to Devices, Chrome, Apps and Extensions, and then Users and Browsers, and you should see this screen. In the bottom right, you'll see a yellow plus button and then an option to add from the Chrome Web Store, and that's what we're going to do. This opens up a small version of the Chrome Web Store in a pop-up window here, and we're going to search for SubDog and enter. SubDog Signal, that's what we're looking for. Click select, and you'll see some options pop up in your Google Workspace admin console. What we're actually going to do is force install, and down here for permissions and URL access, it's easiest if we allow all permissions, and then click save up here in the top right. You should get a confirmation that your settings have been saved. And let's see what happens. So I have another Chrome window open for one of my Google Workspace users. And within a few seconds, they should see the extension automatically be installed. So we'll wait a few seconds here, and hopefully we'll see our extension pop up in a minute. Okay, it took a few seconds, but here you can see SubDog Signal has been automatically installed to Chrome for me. The last thing that all of your teammates are going to need to do is just open the extension in the extension menu, click on SubDog Signal, and log in with Google. So I'm going to do that really quick. Once you're logged in, that's all. That's all your teammates need to do. And if you go back into your SubDog account, which I will do here, and reload the page, you will see this tracking icon is enabled. And now all of Kendall's sessions with our tracked vendors will be stored in your SubDog account, and you are good to go.